Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to delete the Map My Run account. So first, open your Map My Run account, and if you don't have the application, just go to the App Store and the search bar and search for Map My Run and click search, click on the application and download it. And after that, you can just open the application here and log into your account. Now we are on the main menu of the application. So here we have to search the settings or the control, I mean the profile panel or the profile control settings. As you can see here, I have these five menus here. Now I will go to these 3 points, and here there are four things that are referring for the profile. There is this profile here, but all we can edit here is our personal information as the name, email, or your height, etc. etc. There is also the settings, which are setting up only the applications which are like the units, heart rate zone, also the equipments and the synchronizations between devices and apps and permissions, etc. But we want to have our privacy center, and as you can see here in this list, we will find these text here, and there is this option that is called uh, delete the account. So after going to delete the account, you will have your account deleted if you write your password uh, just to confirm that you really want to delete your account, and click on continue after that. So this is how you delete your account on MapMyRun. Thank you for watching and goodbye.